me. Oh. Hi, hello, have you seen a mom and a dad without me? Excuse me, have you seen a couple? They're old like you. Not old like you, but older than you, even. Okay, bye. Hi, do you know anyone who lost a kid a long time ago? That would be me? I don't know how long ago exactly. Okay, you're in a hurry.
Oh, watch where you're going.
Sorry.
It's our goal that every animal we rescue and care for will eventually return home to where they belong.
Shells.
And there we go. Now, if you ever get lost, Dory...
You just follow the shells.
I love shells.
Follow the shells.